My Japanese word, numbers and counters. 4. Let's continue. Now, let's practice how to count number of times. We have a counter word, kai. 1回、1回、2回、2回、3回、3回、4回、4回、5回、5回、6回、6回、7回、7回、8回、8回、9回、9回、10回、10回、何回、何回 asking how many times. Okay? Now, let's practice how to express frequency in Japanese, like once a week, twice a week. Actually, we have various ways to express frequency. Here, I introduce the most popular one. Here is an example for 2 times per day. In Japanese, it's 1日に2回. Literally, 1 day per 2 times. We say period first, and the particle ni, which means per, next, and the times comes last. Remember, it's opposite to English. Now, let's practice with some more example. What do you say 3 times per week? We say 週に3回. Literally, week per 3 times. We say period first, and particle ni, which means per second, and the times comes the last. Okay? 週に3回. 3 times per week. Next, 4 times per month. In Japanese, it's 月に4回. We say period, which is month here first, particle ni means per next, and the number of times here 4 times comes the last. 月に4回. 4 times per month. Now, what about 5 times per year? We say 年に5回. Okay? Period come first, per come next, and number of times last. 年に5回. 5 times per year. Here is a few reminder. Usually, if period is 1 year, 1 month, and 1 week, we can skip 1, 1. But as for day, you don't skip 1. There is other way to skip 1, but here we don't. Number 2, sometimes we skip particle ni and say 1日2回, especially in casual conversation. Number 3, we can replace counter word kai by another counter for number of times do. With this example, 5 times per year, 年に5回. We can replace kai by do and say 年に5度. Try a few different number of times and practice till you get it. Here, let me show you possible other way to express frequency Japanese speaker would use. As for speaking, it's okay with one popular way. I will introduce just for your information. 日に1回 This is a way to skip 1. We read the same kanji meaning day as 日 instead of 日. Next one is just replace the 回 by 度. 日に1度 Okay. Next one is the one we've just learned. 1日に1回 If we replace the 回 by 度 1日に1度 And the last one is example of skip particle に1日1回 Okay? Next, once a week. The first one is we've just learned. 週に1回 Okay? 週に1度1週間に1回1週間に1度週1回 Next, once a month 月に1回月に1度1ヶ月に1回1ヶ月に1度月1回 Once a year 年に1回年に1度1年に1回1年に1度年1回 Okay, this is it for numbers and counters. How did it go? Practice makes perfect. 頑張って Visit and subscribe my Japanese for more lesson.